Sorry. This is the top view, center line for the top view. In the top view, we have the two circles. Inside one is a diameter 25. And outside one is radius 25. Then you can see this is going on up to 110 length. I will show here because maybe that is small, too small for you to see. 110 from this to this is 110. I will not draw that octagonal part, but just a rectangle for now. So offset by 110 from this to here. And then this is 30. So offset by 15 from this line. 15, 15. Total is 30. And they said offset by 110. I didn't get it. It's up to here. This is 110, you can see. So I can draw this line. I can delete the construction line for now, or we can maybe keep it here. Fine. It's like this. Here is trim. Here is a fillet R25 between this arc, this 25 line here. Now, how long is this end here? It is coming from this circle, so I can get the construction line from this circle. You can see, so these lines, they are only up to here. Only up to here. I'll delete this. You can trim again the excess length. This can be trimmed here. Now the other remaining part here on this side, this is radius 35, the outer radius. So with the same circle, center radius, this center, this is radius up to here. Again trim it and delete this part of the line. It continues as a 30. This is square 30 and this is 30. Also here is 30. Okay, that is to be understood. So I'll say offset by 15 on each side from this line. 15, 15. So now you can draw a line from here to here to here to here and trim this line here. I'm trimming it first. Oh, this line is not properly drawn. Let me do it again. Okay. Okay, this is okay. Fine. Okay. This is fillet again, fillet R25 between this and this. Right click, repeat fillet down here. You can delete this. So you can see this is done. Now this length, we can assume any suitable value for the length, but the diameter for that shaft is 25 diameter. So you can continue from here, say drawing the line, say the length is 30, any length, okay, assuming, and diameter is 25, any each side 12.5 offset from here. We get the shaft, and we want to draw the arc here like this. Switch off the ortho for a while. We have done it from the week number 2. Fine. This line can be deleted now. You can continue this. Okay, as a center line, ortho on. So when you extend the lines, ortho must be on. I made it like this by mirror command, and I will need the line here. Sorry. To here. Fine. This part is done. We will think about this octagonal part later on. No need to worry about this. Now we'll put the fork end into this part. Sorry, the eye end into this. Let me draw this part. This is 30 and 80 from the center. This is a main center. From this center it is 80. Offset 80 from here. This part. And you can actually extend the same line actually up to here, because it is the same size, 30. You don't have to draw another line, but only either you trim it or extend it, sorry, or just pull the lines with ortho and O snap on. It's up to here. Fine. Now, okay, we need it in the top view also. How much it is on this side from the center line? It is 25, radius 25, and this distance is 25 up to here. So from this main center here, on the right hand side, 25. So yeah, it's up to here. Okay, sorry, set 25 here, up to here. You can delete this line now. It's up to here. Then we have this hidden line here for the pin, but we can directly draw the pin there. Now same thing in the top view, the same part in the top view we have to draw. So what we can do for that is, I can draw a line from here. See, it's very simple. It is the same line, because it is the same line, 30. It's up to here. I can draw the line and trim it or just pull it back here, and this also can go back here. It's on this side, and then there is another circle here for this. Now I will make a fillet here, fillet R25 between this and this, repeat fillet between this and this. Well, this can be deleted now. We have this end. Let's look at the main part drawing here. Here this part is section lines up in the front view, section lines up. So I can copy this, make a mirror, vertical mirror of this, instead of drawing it again. And I said don't delete, so that was wrong. Then I make it move. Move it here. We have two lines. I'll delete one line. Continuous center line up here. We can add the hatching lines by then. And whereas here, if you see in the top view, the lower part is having section lines. So lower part is having section line in the top view. So I can copy this one here for the top view. Make it a mirror image of this. And say yes, delete the original part. Move it. Keep it here. Fine, two lines. Never keep double lines anywhere, because it leads to another errors. Fine. So that is done. The two parts are done. Two parts are done so far. These are our center lines. Okay, these are our center lines. We can make them center lines. These are the center lines. We need few more things here. Let's focus on the pin now. This is the pin which is going there. I'm not showing you the solution or the shape of this knuckle joint because I said we need to draw unknown part, as we assume as if we don't know this part and draw it. Okay, so this is diameter 25. That means this pin is going through this hole. So I'll draw that pin and it is resting here. So I'll say starting from here, 20 in this side, 12 going up, 40 like this, coming down by 12. This is the pin, and I can delete this line. No need. Fine. This is the head of the pin. 40 by 12. This is 40. This is 12. And from the center, this is 86. They are saying the length of the pin. From the center line, I will draw the line from here. 86 is the length of the line. This is 86. I draw the line. Offset it by 12.5. 25 is the diameter of the pin. So offset by, sorry, my number 2 key is not working properly. Okay, 12.5 from here, and the end of the line, end of the pin is here. This can be deleted. The center line can be extended. Now this pin has a hole 10 from the bottom, offset by 10 from the bottom is here. This is center of the hole. This is center line. I can reduce the length of this center line. They want us to draw sectional front view. So this is front view is a sectional. We want to see what is inside the part, and we will take the partial section here. So to draw the partial section, now what is a partial section? We take the sectional view of the area of the part only, the area which we are interested to show the section lines. We don't take the sectioning of the full part. We don't cut the part fully, but we just are interested to see this pin in the section. So there is this spline command, spline fit. Okay, this is a spline or the spline C. It doesn't matter. Spline command. What is it? You click here. You switch off the ortho for a while like this. You can define the shape of the spline by clicking wherever you want. Enter, enter, enter 3 times at the end to end the command. You can, if you don't like the shape, you can change the shape even later on. Okay, for this spline. So we'll use this command spline to take the spline here, and maybe say somewhere here. Okay, and I will trim that spline also. Trim. We are taking the partial sectional view here. So basically we want to take the sectional only in this area. So hatching lines and C31. Okay, let me go here, by layer, and maybe this hatching line here. This is one hatching line, and in this part another hatching line, but this hatching line should have a different angle because this is a different part. We show the hatching line, but now because we are showing this pin in the section, now we are seeing the pin. We can see the pin now because of the hatching, so we have to trim certain lines here, like this line. This is just small modifications will happen to the part because of the sectioning. You are taking the section, that means you are cutting the upper part, and now you can see the pin directly. You are seeing the pin directly here. That's it. Because we are in the hatching command, we can in this also. Okay, these are different parts, so should have different hatching line, but doesn't matter. Fine. So far top view, front view is done, but you can see here some modifications are needed for some additional details, like here this part here in the top view there will be a hidden line here. For this surface or this part of the fork end, this will be hidden line. Fine, we'll talk about this and the hexagonal part later on. Now let's get the side view. What you see in the side view. Now before we go to the side view, let's understand. Intentionally I didn't do it before the knuckle joint. You go to the images, just type knuckle joint, you understand what is the part. See, this is knuckle joint and it is a commonly used part. I hope we get a good image. I'm just doing the random search so that you get better understanding of what. See, this is a fork end. This is it looks like a fork end because in the top view looks like an eye. You put this in here in this gap, put the pin, then put the collar and insert the taper pin. So if you see from the side view, say from the side view, you see the circle for the shaft, then you see the octagon, this is octagonal shape. Then this octagon merge, it becomes square here. You can see it is a square, 30 by 30 square here. Also for this, it is a square in that area, a small neck area. After the octagon, it is also square. And then it is, height is remaining same for this 30. But the width is changing. Width is coming 25 radius for this and width is 50. So here 30 square and here 30 height, 50 width square rectangle in the side view. Let's get here to start drawing the side view. I hope we got a fair idea about the shape now, the shape which we are drawing. Okay, I'll delete this and copy paste the center line. I said we have this diameter first, diameter 25 shaft. And then we have this one, this is a square. So you can use polygon, number of sides is 4, center of the polygon, C 15 radius. This is a square, 30 by 30 square. You can see this is a 25 diameter, 30 by 30 square. This square also is having the same place octagon. So you can use the polygon command again, number of sides 8, specify the center for the octagon, C 15 radius. This is a square. You can see from the same square you cut the corner to become octagon, like you can see here. From the same square you cut the corner, then because you are cutting 4 corners of the square shape, you became octagonal shape. You get octagonal shape. It becomes octagonal. This is done. But in this area, this same eye end is increasing in the width. You can see again, I will go back to this. This here increasing in the width. How much is width? Radius 25 on one side. So radius 25 on the other side, that is 50 width. So I will draw the line directly from here. Okay, anywhere you can draw, starting from the middle. 50. This is line 50. Then I go to the center, check the dimension again. This is 50 because 25 is ready one side. You can see here, this is coming from the top view. This is coming from here. So this size is 25 because this, that's why the diameter 50. Fine. So offset this by 30 to get the line down here. Offset this by 20 up from here and 20 down from here. This is 20. Okay, I think it is not 20. Offset by 20 from here. So now I can draw the line. Now this part is the eye end. This 20 is for this part, 20 up here, from here and here. This also is having the same width. You can see here in the both circles are matching, so it also is having the same width, 50 for this fork end. And then we can put the pin here, this pin. It's not selected well. Copy paste. I'll put this pin here because I need some reference point for the move command. So I will move this, move the midpoint here to this mid, not correct. Move the midpoint to midpoint here. Fine. Side view. So the pin here inside will be hidden. This pin inside here will be hidden. It should be hidden. But outside part of the pin can be visible. So you can draw a visible line here. This is coming out. So it should be, for now, we'll draw a visible line. And again, we don't want line over line. If it is there also doesn't matter. Fine. This is visible inside. Outside is visible. Inside is hidden. This is a pin. Now almost everything is done. Let's focus on the two small parts here now. This collar. This collar is same dimension like this head of the pin, 40 by 12, 40 by 12. You can see the collar again here. This is a collar, same like here. Dimensions are same for us. This collar we have to put. We have to match the center of the collar with this center. Fine. So if I want to draw the collar here, you'll see that 40 diameter. Fine. Let me just the line 40 here. This is a collar. Go to the middle, offset by 6. Actually, upper line is not needed because the total size is 12. Fine. This will be deleted. And this is the collar here. Sorry. Same. You can draw the collar here. I can directly make offset by 12 from this. Sorry. 12 means set by 1 to 12. Here and 40. This should be 40. This total is 50 now. I want to make it 40. 40. Keep that line. Delete this line. This is a line of 40 size. Get back here. Draw the line from here up by 12. From here up by 12. Fine. This collar is done. You have this center line. You can bring the center line here. The collar also is done because this is a sectional view and we have this center diameter here. They are saying is 6 diameter. Okay, and we are taking this as a sectional view, so we have to again trim this line. Trim this line here for the collar because it is a sectional view and it is not trimmed. Can pull it back and add the section lines here. And this should be another angle. You can also change the scale. Fine. Now we'll talk about this small pin. Taper pin, you can see this is diameter 6 here, and this is a taper pin, diameter 7 here, diameter 5 here, length is 45. Cylindrical taper pin like a chalk, white chalk. tapered pin, 7 here, 45 length, 5 here. You can easily construct it first and then put it where you want to put it. I'll draw this just 45 length like this. Then from this, I'll draw a short line of 7 length, another short line of length 5, then bring the center to here, bring the center of this one to here, draw the line from this to this. Hello, engineer. Yeah, I'm in the class, so I will. Can we talk later? Okay, when I finish, I will call you back. Well, so now this is a pin which we have drawn. Now this pin, I will put it here in that hole. Okay, so let's see, understand something. This whole position here is like this. From the front view, you can see. So the pin is like this. So if you see from the side, the pin looks like a rectangle. And if you see from the front view, the pin is looking like a circle. Understand that. Same position we will follow. It can be changed because it is interchangeable position. Logically, it won't be any mistake, but we will draw the same thing. So I'll put the pin here. We put the pin here, that means here it is only circle. If you see from the front, here it is like a side, from the side. Again, the pin inside the collar will be hidden. So I just cut it into two items or two elements, and then I can make this here to here, and you can see here same part, but only thing I want to make inside one as a hidden line. This is hidden line. This pin now, even here inside, you can see in the collar also, before I just put something logical, here also this is hidden. This pin inside the collar is hidden. So this hidden line can continue up to here now. Right. So outside is visible. This is a collar, this is a pin inside. You can delete this line. Okay, keep it for now. Keep it for now, I guess. Yeah. This pin, I'll put it here, copy of the pin. You can delete this. This pin also you need it here in the top view, right? Same way. So I'll rotate the pin, rotate by 90°, then move the pin here. And now in this case, in this case, the whole pin is hidden. In the top view, the whole pin is hidden. I convert all the lines together. It doesn't make more difference. Even this circle here is hidden because it is a hidden hole. What you see now as in the top view is this 40 diameter. Circle center diameter, from this center diameter 40. This is a visible circle. You can see the pin now, but this hole is hidden. The pin is hidden. This is everything is done. Here everything is done. Here everything is done. That's it. Only one part is remaining, is that construction of the octagonal shape here. This construction of the octagonal shape. They are not giving how much is the length of this part. It is not. Yeah, it is specified here 30, and also here not specified. We assume 30 only. But how much is the arc size? So how to draw that part? If we want to draw that part, see, it will be done from the side view, because to draw that first we need to complete the side view. We got the side view now. We can draw that part because it is coming from the projection of the octagon. It is from here. 30 size. Okay, offset by 30 from this. Say from here. No, 30 is not entered, I guess. Offset by 30. I will just show one. Sorry. Offset by 30. and you can just copy paste and paste it other places. 30. How much it is straight, how much it is curved, it is also not known. So I'll just draw a freehand arc starting from here, the ortho of starting from here to say somewhere here. I don't know how much it is, so I will make it say 20, offset from 20 from here, just approximately. Okay, 20. So what I am doing is I am assuming up to 20 it is straight. Sorry, yes, and then it is an arc. Also, how much is this? This is this space which we draw by 30-degree angle. We don't have to draw 30-degree angle. You can assume suitable value, say 1.5 millimeters from here. Okay, assume it. Draw it straight up to, sorry. Even if you don't draw this, it is okay. This one here. So same thing, you can mirror it. Mirror this arc. I'm saying this. Okay, also draw this arc here. Okay, this arc in the middle one. Here I need one arc, so I'll draw a short line here first. It is like our hexagonal headed, but what we constructed for the bolt. Similar to that one, but this is octagonal headed. Fine. This line can be deleted. This can be deleted. This can be deleted. This is a construction line only. Now this is construction line only. This is construction line only. I will repeat this mirror. This one, and this one as a mirror line using the center of this here. You get it? You can repeat it on the other side for the mirror, and just enough, Fanny. Just